nje uba nomomo bengayazi bakumandi kanje uhlala nje esitulweni ucofa star 120 star 151 udownload umomo akwani nithi ndiphinde ndiye kwe-ATMs ngoku no more ATMs andiziphinde ndixhume ngoni bendicela abantu ndihlala nje esitulweni ndicofe ifowuni yam indise kumomo ndiyakwazi nobhatala i-DSTV ityala likamasipala thixo lingapheliyo kodwa ke sabhatala kumomo everywhere you go you found MTN ndakuthanda MTN usivile isicelo sam. I love you a lot.
You can now get MTN Momo Social Bundle Pass exclusive to your Momo account, which can be used for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, and Twitter. MTN customers can enjoy the service through your Momo app or the USSD string star 120 star 151 hash. You open your Momo app, then select Airtime and Bundles. Then you choose the number you would like to recharge. Tap on Social, choose the bundle you would like to buy, confirm your purchase, and you can now start retweeting, sharing, and commenting. It's as easy as that with Momo.